Welcome back, traders, to another Smart Money Concepts breakdown. In today's session, we're going to analyze a high-probability buy setup on the 30-minute chart. We'll walk through each step in detail, including break of structure, liquidity sweep, the point of interest, waiting for confirmation, and finally, our precise entry targeting buy-side liquidity. So stay tuned, because this is the exact type of setup institutional traders use every single day. As price pushes higher, what's the first important clue? Right here. The market breaks above the previous swing high, and that is our first break of structure. A break of structure means demand has overwhelmed supply. Institutional orders are kicking in, pushing price aggressively upward. This is not just a candle breaking a high. This is a message from smart money. We are no longer bearish. We are shifting direction. A structure break confirms bullish order flow and tells us to immediately stop thinking sells and start preparing for longs. Shortly after, the market continues higher and gives us another strong break of structure. Two breaks in the same direction confirm continuation, not a pullback. This shows the market is creating new, higher highs and respecting higher lows. That means the trend isn't just reacting, it's planned, and planned by institutions looking to move price into a higher liquidity zone. Notice what happens next. Price forms a temporary high and then swiftly sweeps above it. This is a liquidity sweep. Smart money intentionally hunts resting buy stops. Traders who bought too late, their stops are taken out. Scalpers who shorted early, their stops get hit too. This sweep gives institutions the liquidity they need to fuel the next displacement move. Price doesn't reverse randomly. Liquidity is the fuel smart money requires to move markets. So after collecting liquidity, price drops sharply, a clear sign the sweep is complete and the market is now seeking demand. As price falls, where do we expect buyers to step back in? We look for the last down candle before the major bullish impulse, and that becomes our point of interest. This candle is where institutional orders were originally placed. This zone shows us where banks accumulated positions before breaking structure. Why do we mark it? Because price loves to return to rebalance. It retraces back into the exact area where smart money previously created inefficiency. This gives us a discount price, a high probability bullish reaction zone, the perfect location to plan our buys. This is not a random zone, it's where smart money wants to re-enter the market. Before executing a trade, we must know the target. Look at the swing high above. That's buy-side liquidity. Why is this the target? Because above that high sits buy stop orders, break-even stops from late sellers, liquidity that smart money wants to collect. Price is always attracted to liquidity, so this future sweep becomes our exit point. Just because price reaches our point of interest doesn't mean we blindly enter. We need confirmation. What confirmation are we watching for? A smaller time frame shift in structure. Once price taps into the point of interest, we wait for a bullish engulfing, a break of a local high, rejection wicks showing buying aggression, lower time frame displacement. These confirm that buyers are actively defending this zone. Patience here is what separates professionals from gamblers. After confirmation, we place our buy entry within the point of interest zone. Stop loss is placed safely below the liquidity sweep and the structural low. Our target? The buy-side liquidity marked earlier. Watch how price aggressively responds from the point of interest. Strong, bullish candles, higher lows, and momentum increasing. Smart money fills the imbalance, marches upward, and finally hits the buy-side liquidity with precision. Trade complete. A perfect example of structure, liquidity, smart money execution. This setup shows how powerful smart money concepts can be when applied correctly. You don't need 10 indicators. You only need to understand where smart money buys and where it is targeting liquidity. If you want to see more trades broken down exactly like this, smash the like button, subscribe, and comment which chart I should analyze next. And remember,